fight again. And if you want my opinion, I let it take me away. Only relief is the four on the floor and the crowd that goes, turn it up, 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 turn it up.
Right, so here we are, ladies and gents. I have just got my new magnet. So, straight off the bat, packaging is different. Unleash the power. That is a true statement, you know, that I go by with Magnet Store, because the 500 that I use, absolutely amazing. But look at this packaging now, completely different to the other one. Absolutely amazing. Get the power you deserve. It's even got a little code so you can use your mobile phone to hook it up there. Right, so let's get this baby open now and have a look at it. Yeah, first thing we come to, Magnet Store card. Nice touch this, which they do. Snap your kit, hashtag my magnet. They're the social media sites you can go on. So everything you need is really on there in case you want to contact them in any way, either through the actual main site or through these social media sites. Excellent. And I do recommend contacting them through Facebook. Massive quick response when you do. So we've got that. And you have a quick look at it. So you got the eyelet here. You got the washer, and the other's one as well. I'm going to put some dimensions up of this this magnet on screen now, so you can get a gist of the size and scale of everything as well. I'll have a look at these. Nice, decent size as well, because I've noticed on some smaller magnets the eyelets are quite small as well. So if you've got quite a thick rope and you've got to do a certain knot, then you can't get it through, you know, to tie it properly. So that is a decent size. So that's a massive bonus now, I reckon. Excellent, nice. So here's the main body of it. It's a nice decent weight, that. To say it's a 200, that's a decent weight. And I've not got small hands, so that's quite chunky. That's good weight, that. Right. That's everything. The packaging is amazing. Well done, Magnet Store. Right, let's get this hooked up. I'm not obviously going to thread it up because, well, I will be testing this shortly, so depending on what rope I put it on. And if you ever need to get any rope, Magnet Store as well, they do sell kits where you can get your gloves, rope, a little carabiner, you can even get the grappling hook set, everything. You know, I'll just put it on screen at the moment now while we're talking about it. So you can get different aspects. You don't need to just buy the magnet, you can buy an actual kit as well, which is more beneficial if you're starting out. So everything's in one-stop shop, comes at the same time, and then you can just get out and find some treats like the Patriots. That's nice weight, that, must admit. So I'll just keep it there for now, it's sturdy enough. So there you go, ladies and gents. That's decent, that, absolutely decent. And you can get things personalised as well, like I got my magnet. So yeah, it's quite limitless what you can do. Yeah, so you can get these personalised. Yeah, so that is decent magnet store. I'm really looking forward to testing this out because I do like the double-sideds. My favourites are single-sided. I'm just going to be straight up with people about that. I do love my 500 single-sided, but I do like the double-sided. You've got to have both in, I reckon, in your kit. Obviously I use my single-sided for the edges for X amount of feet in front of me, and then I'll use a double to go further. That's just a few tips that I'll just give you beauts right there. But that is amazing, and I can't wait to look forward to using that, which possibly will probably be on the end of this video, or if I don't, I'll just do a separate video of me actually using this. Probably go to one of my little hot spots and test it out. That is sturdy. That is sturdy, that. So now we've got the dimensions of it, which I put on earlier. I'll put the price up now, a little picture, put the website up so then you can have a nosy at it. And if you do want to get one of these and you want a bit of a discount, use my 10% code, which I'll put on the screen now, so I can get you on your way. You can use that 10% code on any item. You don't have to just use it on a magnet. You can use it on any accessories as well. So, but if you're going to buy it in a bundle, you might as well use that 10%, haven't you? To knock some pennies off for you, which is that's what it's based on. It's not for any other benefit. It's to make sure that your magnet fishers get a nice discount. And I won't even be advertising anything else apart from Magnet Store, because I am loyal to them. I don't advertise any others. So, and that's the way Scotty B rolls. But that, I'm looking forward to doing that. So what I'm going to do is put a few pictures up of this now, and next time you see this, it'll have a rope through it, and we'll be finding some treats with it. So remember, 10% off discount code, use it and treat yourself. Get yourself a kit. I recommend the gloves, I recommend the rope. This is a 200 kilogram pull, so even the 500 kilogram break strength rope from Magnet Store, which I'll put up here, is well recommended for this. But definitely the gloves as well. I've used them, and I even used them when I was pulling up that scooter, which was heavy, and they stood the test of time. One thing I will say about it as well is get a grappling hook as well. So you do have a grappling hook on the Magnet Store website. I'll put it up here now. All this together, the grappling hook, the gloves and the rope, absolutely cracking set if people want to start out and then work your way up to a bigger magnet. But this looks amazing, feels amazing. I thought, by looking at it on the website, I did think it looked a bit light, but actually feeling it now is absolutely mint, and I can't wait to use that. So without further ado, I'll put some pictures up now of this, close up of this. So yeah, go find some treats, use the code, and get to Magnet Store. Best magnets on the market. So there you go, from Scotty B to you, treat yourself. Right, while we've got the magnet out, we might as well just do a little tester, haven't we? So this in the middle here, this is what I found down in where was it now? Skegness, and it is part of an old shotgun. That's just a knife that was in the workshop, the old Fitbit, and nice little skull necklace that I have. So I'm just going to see how it is when it picks things up. Right, so the first one we're going to do, I think we'll just do straight up knife. Yeah, I mean I don't think we need to open that, probably to get a little test up. But here we go. There we go, straight away. That's not coming off. That was only from a short distance. There we go. So you can actually see. There we go. How strong magnetism that is. Look at that. Absolute belting. I'm not going to tell you. Yeah, so even. Let's see how far. Hey. You can actually see how strong this magnet is. If I place this here now, and I've got this in my hand, now get closer to it. There we go. That's how strong that is. Good force. Over the top. There we go. Right, what else we're going to try? Let's try this now. Have to be careful of not trying to trap your fingers on this because that's quite heavy. But, ooh, straight up. That ain't coming off, is it? Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. I've got some force on that. Nice, nice. Yeah, excellent, excellent pull force on that one. There's only a tiny bit of metal in there, but I'm sure if we come close to it, there we go. Yeah. So even on the slightest thing with metal, it still picks it up. Right, that's not magnetic, I don't think, the skull, but the actual chain is. So let's see at what distance we can. Well, there we go. So even at a long distance, you're still getting it. Look at that, I've even broke it now, it's that strong, but never mind. These things happen, don't they? There you go, ladies and gents. So I think the proof's in what you've just seen. I'm just going to detangle all this now. So there you go, nice little strength test for you. Well worth it. This, amazing. Yep, so treat yourself, get one of these. Magnet store, you've done excellent here. Definite one for the list, this. And the Scotty B is going to be using this shortly.
Fight against. And if you want my opinion,